You didn't want to see that, did you? My tooth. Actually, it's not a tooth. It's a tooth that I recently got taken out and replaced with one of those roots, right? That's in the gum. And now a crown's going to get put on top in about 6 months. I was at my dentist today. Now, this happened a couple of months ago. I was at my dentist today getting my teeth cleaned. And my dentist asked me a question. She said, Eric, have you been using an electric toothbrush to brush your teeth after we did the tooth removal and putting in the root thing? And I said, sure, I've been using an electric toothbrush. I brush and floss every day. She said, oh, Eric, you shouldn't have done that. The vibrations of the toothbrush, that might have messed up the implant that I put in your, or the root thing that I put in your tooth. I'm like, what? What does that mean? She said, oh, the bone may not have grafted to it. And as a result of that, I might have to take it out and replant it. Oh, it's just too much for me. I hate the dentist in the first place, and the whole process kind of sucked. So you can imagine I was a little ticked off. And so I said to her, you know, you never told me that I shouldn't have used an electric toothbrush. She said, yeah, I know, I forgot. And I told her, I said, listen, you need to put that down as part of your process. When you take one of these teeth out and put in the root implant, you need to write it down that, hey, you shouldn't use electric toothbrushes. Make sure your patients understand that, and they sign that, and they see that, so they don't get in my situation where I've been using an electric toothbrush for the past 2 months without ever knowing that I shouldn't have done that. She said, yeah, I know what you mean, Eric. She said, okay, well, let me finish cleaning your teeth, and I'll take an x-ray and see if the bone is actually grafted around that root. And she said, if it hasn't grafted, I'm going to have to take it out. And I said, well, I'm not paying for that. She said, yeah, I know that. All right, so she finished cleaning my teeth, and I got the x-ray done. And then there was that tense 2 or 3 minutes while they processed the x-ray. And I was thinking, man, my holiday season's going to be ruined because I've got to come in and get this tooth, this little implant or the root thing taken out, get a new root thing put back in. And I hate the dentist. Thankfully, though, the root had not been disturbed and the bone has grafted into that root, and I can get the crown put on there in a couple of months. But that's not the point. The point is, this is a simple, basic thing that could have been avoided with a good process. So let me ask you this. What processes do you need to put in place to eliminate any friction between you and your clients? Because if you create that friction, you know what they're going to do? They're going to go and take their business elsewhere. You must think about the processes you need to put in place to make sure that doing business with you is as smooth and painless as possible. Focus on that. Thank you for watching the video.